Is the internet too slow? Fix this right now. First, open Google Chrome and visit fast.com. Now note your current speed. Open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Now click on the small eye icon next to your connected network. Next, scroll to the Advanced Settings section and click on IP Settings. Here, change the option from DHCP to static. Now enter these DNS values: DNS1, 8.8.8.8, DNS2, 8.8.4.4. After that, go to the main settings page. Check that the developer option is enabled or not. If not, enable it. Once it is activated, open the developer options. Scroll to networking and click on Network Download Rate Limit. If it says 128 kilobits per second, 256 kilobits per second, then your speed is limited. Now change it to no limit. Open fast.com again. Refresh the page. You will see the difference in the network speed. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more.